Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 4, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. Sixth row, column F, we have pair numbers 2, 1, 3. So 2, 1, 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then fifth grade, 3 numbers are remaining 5, 6, 8. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column F, column G, we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fourth row and second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Fifth row and sixth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in any one of these cells. Confirm later. Column H, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 9. It will come in any one of these cells. We confirm later. Column I, column J, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of these cells. We confirm later. Third grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 9, 2. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Third row, fourth row, column B, we have pair numbers 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Sixth row and 7th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. 4th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 9. 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, column J, we get pair numbers 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, 10th row, we get pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. We can confirm 2 also here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining 5, 8, 2. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come this cell. 8 will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then third grade, column J, only 1 number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then first grid, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 7th grid, column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 8. Column G, we get 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Or column G, we get 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column G, we get 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th grid, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column E, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, on the 8th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column G, we have 4, so 4 can't come in these cells. Second also we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Second row we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 5th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column F, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G on 2nd grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 4th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 4th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.